Welcome. In front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on this laptop. To take a screenshot on your laptop, you either have to press and hold the string button and then press the fifth functional key at the top of your keyboard with it at the same time. This way you will take a screenshot of your full screen. And you can access it if you go to files, and by default they are saved in downloads, but you can also use two different types of screenshots, and to enable them, press string left shift and then fifth functional keys at the top of your keyboard. And now you can either go with the rectangular screenshot, the full screen screenshot, or the window screenshot. So if you want to take a partial screenshot or a rectangular one, you just have to select an area of your screen that you want to take a screenshot of, and then click capture to confirm. And this way the screenshot will be taken. It will look somewhat like this, depending on the area that you selected. The next type of the screenshot is the full screen screenshot. Let me show you how it works in this menu. So just click anywhere to capture full screen, and once you click anywhere, the full screen screenshot will be taken, and it will look like this. And the last type of screenshot is the full screen screenshot, and once again use the combination of these three keys. Now then select the window screenshot, and then select the window that you want to take a screenshot of, and it will once again be saved to your downloads folder, and the screenshot will look somewhat like this. You can use the quick tools at the top of your screen in order to edit your screenshot, and basically to delete them, just have to select the screenshots you want to delete and clean the recycle bin icon right here. And that's how you take screenshots on your Chromebook. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.